So guys, first method, open any browser. So type HP, go to www.hp.com. This is officially website. Then click to support and then software and driver. And click to printer, and guys enter model number. Then guys next type model number HP OfficeJet Pro 191015 all in one. So by default detect your operating system is Windows 11, sorry, Windows 10. So if you're using different, so click to this and then which is you install and using, select this. So all the operating system installations process same, so no worry about that, you just follow this method. So this is update and this is firmware. So if you have to update the firmware, so you just select this and download it. Okay, this is the basics and offline installer. Okay, you can see that 30 MB. This is actually online, require internet also. So why this is using the driver by HP Easy Smart. So this is applications. So do not install this. So try to, this is printer driver. So if you this is scanner driver, sorry. So if you have to scan this and install in this, so this is, try to this one, just click to download. This is offline installer. I recommend to you guys, you install, download this one. Just click to download. After few seconds it will start downloading automatically. And also depend your internet. If you are fast internet, it will download fastly. Then guys click to setup, then click to more and run away. So run different. So then just single click to, when it is completed, single click to open this setup. Then click to yes. Then continue. Do you want to help make? No. Then continue. So you can see this is wireless. So wireless means you know about your printer IP, and this is wire. So connect to wire by switches and router to your printer, and this is you by USB. So which is you require to install. Okay, so then select this and then next, like that, USB connect to that, and when you automatically detect, so automatically install the driver. Okay, after that restart the printer and system also.